Welcome back to 4K Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Samsung picture frame remote control, or if you purchased a brand new remote control. So right now this remote is not working. I got a brand new one. So the first thing you want to do is to factory reset it. Hold down the return button and the center dial at the same time. You're going to want to wait till the light up there flashes. You can see it flash. Okay, now to pair it to the TV, which is Bluetooth, you're gonna hit the return and play button at the same time, hold it down for a minimum of 10 seconds. Okay, and then on the top right corner, eventually we'll see it say connect. And that's how you factory reset your remote and pair it.